Fly girls love diamonds and pearls. Drinking favorite champagne, mink coat, have a midnight swoon. Candlelight.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about how to organize your life so you can have a stress-free life. It also helps you control your poise, be confident when you walk out the door, and stress-free. And we all know that having less stress keeps you healthier and looking younger longer, which is very important. So anyway, so how we're going to do that is we are going to talk about organizing your closet so it's easy to access, and also wardrobe essentials that you need to start off your wardrobe and then build upon it. And that will help you with poise and looking great and feeling great all the time. So let's get right to it. The first step is organizing your closet. If you look in my closet right now, you will see that I have lights to darks, sleeveless to short sleeve to jackets to pants, and it repeats in every color as it goes towards the back and it's darker. And so that's how I organize my closet. It's called merchandising when you work in a store, but for us at home, it is called organization. It makes it easy for you to grab your pieces, not get the clothes all tangled up, not have them on the floor. And doing that actually saves you money in the long run because you're not rebuying items that you messed up, and you're not rebuying items that you forgot that you already own. So that's my organization. It is, again, sleeveless to short sleeve to jackets to pants, and then it repeats going all the way back. You also know where to find your items when you do color coordinate. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to get to how to shop for yourself to start off with. I know a lot of us are really young and we love to shop and buy clothes and we see things online that we want. But to start off with, I really do feel like there are certain items that every closet needs, and then you can build upon that gradually. So one of the first things is, of course, jeans. We all wear jeans all the time. So what's the first pair of jeans you need? A pair of dark blue jeans. So for example, these are a great pair of dark blue jeans. I have a little bit of flare in it, but they go with jackets, a blazer, t-shirts, heels, boots, flats, anything. So a pair of dark blue jeans are a must to start off any closet because it's something that you're going to wear all the time. Why buy dark instead of light? Well, again, dark goes with everything. You can make it look very sleek, but also makes you look slim. So that's one of the reasons why I always start with a dark pair of jeans. The next thing is a simple black dress. Okay, so this is a great stretchy or relégé dress that allows me to gain weight and I'll still look good in it. So a plain black dress. The reason why you want to buy a plain black dress is because you want to be able to wear it with any type of heel, any bag. It goes under a suit jacket, so you can wear it to work as long as it hits around the knee. So that's a piece that you'll wear forever and almost for everything, and it's easy to pack up. So that's why I always say go for a black dress. You can wear it with everything to work and after work and beyond. So the next thing is, since we're talking about blazers, is a suit. If you buy a full suit, pants and a jacket, you can always split them up, wear just the pants, wear just the jacket. But a lot of offices don't require suits as much, but I still feel like it's good to buy because it's easy to throw on and wear and dress certain things up. So even if you do wear jeans to work every day, throw on a blazer. It dresses it up. You can always have it to keep you warm. It looks good, and always tailor it to fit your size. So if you can't find your exact fit, tailor it. It's really important to do that. It'll make every outfit look astounding. Okay, so the next thing is, since we're on blazers, I do recommend buying a navy blue one because they're a little bit more casual. It goes with jeans. This J. Crew one is amazing. I've worn it for years, and it's just the best item that I can buy. It goes with t-shirts, jeans, slacks. It's perfect. So, and I wear it casually most of the time, so it's great. So I would say buy a navy blue blazer, but the first thing you can start off with is a simple black suit. Okay, so next thing is a camisole. This has lace on top. It has a little bit of a style and pizzazz to it to dress up any outfit. And so and it's silk. So it's soft. You can wear this to work. You can wear this on a date with jeans, a skirt, under a suit. It's perfect. It goes a long way. So what I do is I tend to buy 1 or 2 camisoles that have a little bit of lace or flare, and the rest of my camisoles are like a spaghetti strap that I can wear with jeans or under a suit, and it's a very clean look, and it just gives a little bit of a color to your suit, plus it hides, you know, it's not too low cut. So I think that camisoles and a great material like silk are a must have, and it goes a long way. Next thing, what we all need and what we all definitely wear, like jeans, we wear t-shirts. So t-shirts and a v-neck, t-shirts with a collar, t-shirts in white, t-shirts in everything. So every year I will run out and restock my t-shirts. So, and I try to make them very clean, white, black, blue, maybe something else. But with that, you can, again, wear it to work under suits, a jacket, wear it on a date, wear it with heels and jeans tucked in, everything. And plus you can wear it casually with everything else, and it always looks really good. So those are my wardrobe starters, because that's something that you can slowly build upon. So once you have your pair of dark jeans, go out and buy white and light pair of jeans. Once you have a camisole, go out and try other items like this little piece that I'm wearing now. So I think it's great to start off with the basics and then build upon that. By doing so, you're going to save yourself some money and some time, because you always have the basics. If you constantly buy items that are for that moment in time, or that trend, the current trend, you're not going to be able to keep your wardrobe for a long time. You're just going to constantly be shopping. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to move on to the shoes. So there are certain shoes that I think are must-haves as well, and then we'll also get to the organization of things. So the first one is, I think that you need a flesh tone shoe. This shoe matches my skin tone. It looks great with heels, with jeans. Again, a flesh tone shoe. You also need a basic black pump. And this is suede. The reason why I recommend doing a suede black pump is because it always looks rich in color. If you brush it and clean it, it'll always maintain the black shade. So you don't have to do suede, but I feel like suede is always something that will always have a rich shade. But you definitely should do a slightly pointed toe suede, a slightly pointed toe black pump. Okay, the next thing is a flat. I tend to not wear a lot of flats, but I do think that they're a must to have, because sometimes you just don't want to wear heels. You know, you want to wear something that is comfortable but looks good. So if you don't wear a lot of flats, go all out. Do something where it kind of has a bit of pizzazz and it's fun, because flats can be kind of boring. And so these are just like a gold flat that looks good with dark jeans, you know. So last thing is a sneaker. A clean white sneaker. I think that these are a must as well. If you have a pair a style that you wear every year, just buy that style. A nice pair of sneakers are great to wear around. Some women just love wearing heels all the time, but I also feel like it is great to have a pair of sneakers that are comfortable to wear and look good with almost everything. So that's why I buy a clean white pair of sneakers. So I will also show a picture of how I wardrobe my shoes, because I also feel like keeping your shoes organized keeps them scuff-free and clean, and it's easy to grab and go. So those are my ideas of how to keep your life organized and how to be stress-free and relaxed and keep that poise by organizing your life, but also starting off with wardrobe essentials that you can build upon. All of this information is on my website, which is right below here. And then you can also find all of this information plus some in my book. I have it right here for you, tucked in my wardrobe. So all of this information you can find in my book, plus how to shop for it and get the best deals. So thank you very much for watching. Tune in because we will add on to some of your wardrobe questions. If you have any ideas that I can share, leave it in the comment below or DM me and I will definitely share it with everyone else. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.